Hi, I'm Elu Akemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is question 6, JAMB Physics 2018, which goes thus. The power dissipated in an AC circuit with an RMS current of 5 amps, RMS voltage of 10 volts, and a phase angle of 60 degrees is the power represented with the letter VP, is equal to V times current. V is voltage, I is current, cos theta. Okay? The V and I are sinusoidal RMS values. Okay? While the theta is the phase angle between the voltage and the current. Alright, so now let us solve for the power. Alright, so we're going to input the value. The volt as given is 10 volts, and the volt as given in the question is 10 volts times the current, which is given as 5 amps, then times the cos theta, which is given as 60 degrees. Okay, good. So we simplify further. We have 10 times 5, that's 50. Then cos 60 is 1 over 2. And this is going to give us final answer. 2 goes in here, 1, 2 in there is 25. So power is 25 watt. Okay. So if we check the answer options, answer option A is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.